The Todale Baby Play Yard offers an impressively large and safe space for babies and toddlers to explore and grow, providing ample room for toys and even a parent to join in. Its sturdy construction, featuring a robust steel frame and durable Oxford fabric, is complemented by non-slip suction cup feet, ensuring stability and safety during active play. The play yard's breathable mesh sides allow for 360-degree visibility, giving parents peace of mind as they can keep an eye on their child while fostering a sense of connection. A convenient zipper gate offers easy access for parents, promoting interaction while encouraging independent play in a safe and controlled environment. Designed with busy parents in mind, the playpen features rust-proof alloy pipes and easy-to-clean fabric, making maintenance a breeze. Its simple assembly and portability make it a versatile playpen suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, accommodating the dynamic needs of modern families.